Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Steam Captcha's not working. After watching this video, after playing all the steps as on this video, you will be able to fix your problem. The first step is to clear the junk and cache file of the browser. To do that, click on three dot, then go to settings. From here, you have to go into the reset setting. Click on restore settings to their original default. Then you have to click on reset settings. Now you're all done. Go ahead and check the steam.com if the cache is working or not. If that didn't work, then follow the next step, which is deleting the cache or junk file in the Windows. Hit Windows R on your computer, then you have to type temp. Then hit enter, then this folder will open up here, then it will ask you to allow, just have to click on continue. Now all these files will appear here. Just select all the files by pressing Ctrl A, then you have to type shift delete to completely delete it. Then you have to hit enter. Then you have to click on this and then click on skip. Now you're all done. Now again type window R, then type percentage temp percentage, then hit enter. Then this folder will open up here. You have to select all the files by pressing Ctrl A, shift delete, hit enter. Do this for all current item, then click on continue. Do this for all current item, click on skip. Now you're all done. After doing this, press window R again and type prefetch. Hit enter, then this folder will open up here. It will ask you to allow. Just click on continue. Select all the files, click on shift delete, then you are done. Now this is the second step. After following the second step, go to steam.com and check if the cache is working or not. If that didn't work, then you have to follow the third step, which is flushing the DNS in your CMD. Click on Windows button, then tap CMD, right click on it, select Run as administrator, click on yes. You have to type ipconfig /flush DNS. This is the right command that you have to type. Then you have to hit enter. Now once you type this command, ipconfig /flush DNS, window IP configuration successfully flush the DNS, resolve a cache. Now you're all done, click close. Now this is the third step. Now check again if that Steam Captcha is working or not. Now if that didn't work, the last step you can follow is go to steam.com, click on I'm not a robot. Now as you can see that my captcha is properly working without any issue. But in your case, you have to do it. Let me do it again. So I refresh the page, I checked again. This time it is saying me that you have to select all the buses, but we are not going to do it like this. I'm going to click on this headphone icon. Now I'll click on this press play to listen. Just I'm going to click on this play button. Then whatever I will hear, I'm going to type on it. Let me click on play. So I'm able to hear, pick the right solution. So I'm going to type it. Then I click on verify. So as you can see that I'm successfully able to verify it. If you're not able to verify it by the images, then you can do it by using the headphone option. Just listen whatever he say and type it. That's all you need to do. So this is the last step. If that didn't work, you can also comment me, then I will be able to help you. So hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.